So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing these new brackets in here. This came with the toilet, the existing toilet sitting right behind me, and we pulled it out, and this is just full of water and sludge, and this had slipped all the way down into tile. And so the only thing it's touching right now, you can see right in the front, it's touching there, and then of course it's touching on this side. Then of course the whole back side is sitting on tile back here. This side there's no tile, which is typical. It would cover with a normal toilet, not with this concealed flange. So we can't just keep tightening down that. What all it's doing would be just stretching this across the plastic and perhaps cracking it. So right now it's flat in the front, the back, the front, and this side, and that's just going to be floating. So hopefully everything goes together well with this. Like I said, this is all used product, but I think we can get it back together, and then you should be back in good shape with this toilet. So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished reinstalling this toilet here. This is the homeowner's toilet. We had it leaking all around the perimeter, and so first part of the video, it shows the flange that we put in. It's a glue-in and screw-down flange, so those are nice, and it seals everything. And then, of course, wax ring, and then all the bracketry that came with this toilet originally, it's all reinstalled, tightened down. Got some shims around the perimeter, about 4, one in the back on both sides, one in the front on both sides, and it eliminated a lot of the movement there. So it's nice and tight. We did give you a new supply line. We don't leave old supply lines on. The reason being is if something happens with your line after we've worked on it, then we got to come back out and work on it for free. So that's ours. We'll have to work on that too, but we're comfortable that won't have any problems right there. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation's done.